Alright, here we go. Subterfuge Box Break number 497. Box of Luxury Suite. I've done a Luxury Suite in a while. And here's the players. Taz and Aaron. Phyllis and Matt. Todd and DGA. Bob and Warren. And Matt. And Sean and Flyers Takedown has a gem stinker. 10 plus bonus going to Aaron. She's going to get 2 free darts for that. And Taz and NJD got the other darts. Aaron's got a bunch. And Phyllis, Crow, Taz, Linda, Johnny Boy. There we go. So, first things first, we're going to do the darts. Thanks, Crow, for cleaning up the last 3 teams. So, 2 free darts to Aaron first. Aaron's got a 9. And a 3. Single 9, single 3. And 3 darts to Taz. It's going to be single 15. A triple 18. And a triple 6. With a hair on it. That's a bonus. And Dwayne gets a 3. Triple 16 for Dwayne. Double 6 for Dwayne. And a single bull for Dwayne. So that's it. And the darts for this break are going to be 6s. Like you see, around the clock. Mams get you a single 6, so on and so forth. It says in the listing if you want details. And I'll call it out as we go. So, before we get to our box of Luxury Suite, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gems and stinkers left, and Flyers Takedown has 1. And I roll the dice, increments of 5, we'll find out which one he gets. 1 through 5 will be the first card shown, so on and so forth. So, good luck to you, sir. It is a 21, which would give us the last card. Card number 30. So let's see what you got, buddy. Gem and stinker number 30. You've got a stinker. Oh, I like this card, though. This is a good card. This is a good stinker. Autograph! Johnny Bauer! If that's a stinker, I don't know what is a gem. There you go, bud. Heroes and Prospects autograph, Johnny Bauer. On the Flyers Takedown. And with all the shenanigans out of the way, we can get to our box. Luxury Suite, ending in 121. Show here on the webcam. It'll work today. Nope. Factory sealed goodness. Who's going to get what? Oh, and before I even do that, I'm going to spin the wheel once because I'm giving away a case hit draft spot. So every team is eligible for the hit draft spot. And the team it lands on is going to win it. Lands on the Calgary Flames. Calgary Flames and Phyllis. You've got a hit draft spot, so you can pick it whatever you want. Very well done. You got 2 teams and you got a hit draft spot. So, I already cut the box, but I'm going to re-verify it because it might have been out of frame, ending in 121. There we go. It's already cut. I clearly didn't do a good job cutting it. Hey, Johnny. So, good old Luxury Suite. I still like this stuff. I have a box of it in my current hit draft. 4 packs. All thin packs. No 4 card packs for us tonight. So good luck to you guys. Oh, the Leafs are losing now. What the heck? New York Islanders and Phyllis. We got a private signings in this one. Nathan Lawson, rookie card out of $8.99. And for the Toronto Maple Leafs, and Johnny Boy, Jonas Gustafsson, jersey card out of $5.99. And a private signings. Oh, nice. The Phoenix Coyotes and Soccer Taz. Lee Stempniak. Spacer. I love private signings. Well, there you go. I know you're going to like that one, Jeremy. The little top left corner is just a touch rounded, but not bad. Oh, and I forgot to mention, autograph. You're going to get yourself 2 6s for that. And this jersey card is worth a single 6 for the around-the-clock bonus. And if you don't know what that means, when you get the link, you'll see a link to my cricket rewards. So TJ Brody for the Calgary Flames and Phyllis out of $8.99. And for the Philadelphia Flyers and Crow. Oh, nice card come up. We got Stretch Neck. White swatch out of $5.99. Just what you wanted there, Crow. And nice. Soccer Taz. Bringing it home. Marian Hossa. Jersey and Prime jersey. A nice bulging 2-color on the bottom, one on the top. Of 150. 123. Yeah, they probably don't have those icons on this server. Jeff. Yeah, nice. For the Buffalo Sabres and Aaron. Paul Byron. Rookie card at $8.99. Got a jersey card for the New York Rangers. And you're going to get yourself a darts. Oh, and I need to say that... that Marian Hossa jersey card is only worth 1 dart. The Stretch Neck is worth 1 dart. And this one's worth 1 dart. It should be worth 0 because it's Sean Avery. Not like anybody cares. For $5.99. That's going to Aaron. And, oh, nice. And another nice card for Aaron. This is a gold out of 10 of Marty Brodeur. Gold jersey variant. So the Sean Avery is going to get 1 dart. And this card is out of 25 or less, so it's worth a 666 for you. Number 7 of 10, Marty Brodeur. Cool. Regardless of what some people would say, that card would sell for a lot of money. And for the Minnesota Wild, Sabre Sean, Jared Spurgeon. Out of $8.99. We got for the Vancouver Canucks in downtown. Get yourself a hit, Warren. Bobby Lou, jersey card. That gets you a single 6. Out of $5.99 as well. And the last card is nice. Out of 150 for the Edmonton Oilers in downtown. Sam Gagner, Prime, and jersey, but it's clearly a patch. Looks like a number, jersey number. Oh, and that card is a number out of 150. Again, that is only worth a single dart. This is Prime. Oh, it's a double. It says Prime on it. It's a double. Get a double 6 for that card. Alright, thank you guys for your bids. And hope you enjoy your hit draw spot, Phyllis, and everybody else enjoy your darts. And I'll see you on Cash Darts, ending in about 43 minutes. Have a good night.